Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one excellent face pack which will works more than a Botox. So this face pack will work for the wrinkles, dry skin, acne as well as dark circles, blackheads and acne scars also. Let's start guys how to make this face pack. So my first ingredient here I am going to use is banana peel. Don't throw guys banana peel. Banana peel is having lot of benefits. Banana peel contains vitamin C which is known for excellent inflammatory properties, and it will soothe the acne, it will clear the scars of your acne, and it will remove the puffiness under the sky, it will reduces the wrinkles, it will give brightened skin to your face. So here I have taken one banana peel and I am going to cut it into small pieces. My next ingredient here I am going to use is potato. Here I have taken just half potato only. I would like to peel the potato. As you all know guys, potato contains antioxidant that will protect your skin from environmental damage caused by pollution and exposure to the skin. It will delay the sign of aging, it reduces the puffy eyes, reduces the inflammation caused by bruises, rashes and ulcers also. So it will help to get rid of ugly spots, marks and blemishes. So after removing the peel, I will cut it into small pieces. You can see guys. Then now I am going to transfer all those things into a vessel. I am going to transfer the half potato and one banana peel all together. Then I will add in it. Here I am going to add 1 cup of water to the one banana peel and half potato. Keep in mind guys, don't forget you have to keep the quantities properly. If you are less or more, then you will not get the proper result. See guys, I have kept on the gas stove, not much high, I kept in the low sim. Let it be come to the boil. After 2 to 3 minutes it is cooked well. You can see not completely cooked, it is just came for boil, that's it. You have to keep it on the gas stove for minimum 10 to 15 minutes. After that you can switch off the flame. After it's cooled down, what we have to do, we have to grind it finely. So now I am going to transfer this all into my blender and then I will grind it finely. Before using any of the blender, if you are using masala blender and all, try to wash it cleanly, then try to use the mixture which we are using for our face, because if not your face will start burning guys. This is a very important thing. I have not waited for long time because I want to make this video, so I have grinded as it is. You can see the mixture, it's not too much watery, it is little bit thick. After it's getting cooled down, it will become more thick. So now I am going to transfer this into a airtight container, and we can store this mixture in refrigerator. It will be good. In this we have not added any preservative, no need to worry, it is a pure natural. So here I am having flax seeds. You all surprised why I am using this flax seeds here, because already I make the mixture. We can use the mixture as it is on our face also, but it will be little watery, so we want to make it in a little thick form. So here I have taken the flax seeds. Flax seeds contains lignans and antioxidants that helps in the prevention of fine lines and wrinkles on your face. Also the fatty acid in flax seeds helps to keeping the skin moisture and smooth. The inherent quality of the flax seed also helps in keeping the skin tight, lessen sagging with age. So here I have taken the flax seeds and make the powder of it. So now here I am going to take 1 spoonful of flax seeds. You can see guys, this is my homemade flax seeds powder. If you don't want to make it homemade powder, you can buy a ready-made powder also, it's available in the market, or else you can purchase from the online also. It not only it's helpful for our face, but also it is good for our hairs also. So with 1 spoon of flaxseed powder, here I am going to take 1 to 1.5 spoon of banana and potato peel, banana peel and potato mixture and mixing these ingredients, both these ingredients well. You can see guys, I am mixing this one. One of the home remedies, mixing is the main important role. If you are not mixing properly, you will not get the result as I get. So my last but not least, my ingredient here I am going to use is vitamin C, full of vitamin C, that is lemon. The vitamin C contains lemon, which will help to reduce the skin damage and premature aging. It is full of pH level. It will decrease oil and keep the skin normal and reduces the inflammation, and also antifungal properties also having in lemon. It will keep our skin lightening also. So here I am going to mix all these ingredients well. I have taken only 5 to 10 drops of lemon, not more than that. Okay. If you are having sensitive skin, you can skip lemon also, no problem. And then mix all these ingredients, apply on your face and leave it for minimum 30 minutes and then wash it off. Weekly twice you can apply this face pack on your face. I hope it will be very useful. Thank you. Bye.